Hi there. Our today's topic is set and frozen set in Python. Actually, what is set, guys? Set it's a collection of unique elements. So that's what we can say about the set. And one more thing you have to note here that set is a mutable data type, guys, and we can add the elements into the set, but we can't change it. So that's why. Because why we can't change it? Because set is in unordered format. So that's why. So let's go for the coding now. So here I have created two variables. Here you can see I have write these codes, guys, because I don't want to waste my time in writing this code. So I can invest my time into the explaining in instead of writing this code. So here I have created two variable and I wanted to see which type of data I have stored in the df. So here you can see set. I got the set as output. Here I am going to explain you add method, and this method I have already explained in my another videos, guys. Please check out that videos and get an idea on this and apply this method here also. So here I am going to explain you about the add method. I am adding this element nikhil element into this variable. Actually here you can see nikhil is not there, so I'm adding that nikhil into df. So here is the script for that. I have to just write df dot add of that particular element. So if I try to execute this command and I wanted to see now the df is look like this. So that's why, and here you can see nikhil is added into the that particular set. So after that I will tell you about the difference between two set. So here I am executing this query and I wanted to see the difference between two set like df minus cf. So here you can see the common names got cancelled, nick is got getting cancelled, and after that df minus c means I will get the output as a priya, tom, ron and mike. So if I try to execute this command, then I will get the output. Why nikhil is there? Because we have added this nikhil and my df is now this and my cf is this, and here you can see nick is common, and that's why I am getting the 5 names, guys. I told you about these 4 names, but I have added one more name here, so that's why I am getting 5 names here. One more method, we can write the difference command like this. So df minus cf, so it's a simple way to write difference command. So here you will get the output, same output, guys, as like the difference of command. But here if you try to add this command, then this is not possible, guys, because the difference command is already there, but addition command is not there in that particular set data type actually. So here I have executed that thing, and here you can see the df is same, guys, like this. Here you can see the df and here you can see the df. But if I try to, if here I stored two variables and here I am executing the difference underscore update command, so I am updating that df by the difference between these two set. So here you can see my df is changed now. The difference of these two set is my df now, and here is df is same like this. So here we are not updating that df, but here we are updating that df. Here you can see df dot difference underscore update means we are updating the df with the help of difference between two set. So that's what the meaning of this command actually. After that I will explain you about the discard command, guys. So discard means elimination of that particular element or removing of that particular element. So here you can see my cf is this. I called the same variable, guys, here, and now my cf is this, and I wanted to discard maya. I don't like maya. So if I try to execute this command and if I try to see cf now, though, then you can see here nick and sham is there. So my the maya name is removed from that particular variable actually. So that's what the use of this discard command. we need we can use this command for removing the elements from the set. After that I will tell you about the intersection and intersection underscore update. So here I have created two variables, same variables I am creating, guys, and here I wanted to see the intersection between these two set. So here you can see nick is common, so intersection means, guys, whatever the common values are there, that output we will get in as a output in the intersection. So if I wanted to see the intersection of these two variables, then I will get the output as Nick and Tom. So if I try to execute this command, then you can see here Nick and Tom. After that, if I wanted to see my df is same like this, guys, but here I am creating that same variable, and I wanted to use the intersection underscore update command. So here I am updating that df with the help of this intersection between df and cf. So that's what the meaning of this command, and I am updating the df now. If I try to see the df is looks like this. Here you can see the df is this, here you can see the df is this, because we are updating that df, guys. Here you can see update df with the help of intersection between df and cf. So that's what the meaning of this. After that I wanted to see disjoint command. So what is this disjoint means? Actually disjoint looks for the common element. If there is a common element, then they will say it's a false, and if there is no common element is there in two set, or yeah, in two set, then we will get the output as a true. So here you can see I have common name or common elements in both sets, so here I will get the output as a false. So here you can see, here we will get the output in boolean format only, so not in another format actually. So here you can see my elements are different in both sets. If I try to execute this command, I have created two variables and I wanted to see is disjoint of this particular two set actually. So if I try to execute this command, then I will get the output as true because there is no common element is there. Here is the output, guys. So that's what the meaning of this is disjoint. Actually they are looking for the common variables, or sorry, common elements in that particular set. Actually here is the common element are there, that's why we are getting false, and here there is no common element, that's why we are getting true. After that I will tell you about the is subset of and is superset of command. Here I have created two variables, guys, and if I try to execute this command, then I will get output in the boolean format, guys. They are saying that is cf is a subset of that df, means is df containing the values of cf. Yes, df is containing the values of cf, so here I will get the output as a true. But if I try to execute that cf is superset of df, no, it's not a superset. So that's what the meaning of this, guys, and we can see the same thing. So if you want to see is subset of, means subset means there are less values actually, and superset means there are more values. So here you can see the difference, df is having more values and cf is having less values. So we can actually we can remember these things by using the number of elements, and we don't have to concentrate on these things actually. Here I am executing the command for the symmetric difference, guys. We have seen the intersection of two set, we will get the output as a common whatever the common elements are there, we will getting that output in the intersection. So exactly opposite of that the symmetric differences. So here I wanted to see, here I have created two variables and I wanted to see the symmetric difference between these two set. I have write this code df dot symmetric difference of cf. So that Priya and Priya got cancelled, guys. Nick and Nick got cancelled, and I will get output as a Tom, Ron, and Mike. So I'm not getting the common values here, I'm getting the difference between that. So they will get cancelled, and whatever the remaining values are there, that will be my output. So here, if you want to update that particular df by using that symmetric difference, then we can use this command, guys. So underscore update is just for updating that particular variable. So that's what we can see here. And if you want to see your df now, so your df is now right like this. If you try to see your df after executing this command, then here you can see the difference between these two. Here your df is this, and here you are updating your df with the difference, symmetric difference between these two sets. So that's what the meaning of this underscore update and all these things, guys. After that, I am adding the two set. So here is the command for that, union and update, guys. So here is here I have created two variables by using person name, and I wanted to do union df dot union of cf, means I wanted to add the cf values into the df. Then my output will be the addition of this thing. So I will get all the output. And if I try to if I try to write here Nick, then also my output is like this, because as I already told you, set it's a unique elements, means we are getting only unique elements in the output. So here you can see there is no two nickname are there. So this is my output now. So here you can see five names are here and 3 names are here, but I am getting only 7 names in my output because Nick and Nick is common here. So that's what the method of union. And if I try to see my df is same like this, guys, but here I am updating my df by adding that cf into it. Here I haven't used the add command, but I am updating the df by using this cf value, so it will perform the same operation like union, guys. So here you can see, if I try to execute this command, then my df will be this now. Here is the difference only. If we do the union command, then my df is not updated, and if I try to use the update command, then my particular variable got updated, guys. So that's it for this. And here I am going to explain you about the Frozoneset. So Frozoneset, it's a, guys, we can say it's a unmutable set, we can say. So it's a guys unmutable set, we can say, to a Frozoneset. So if we try to execute this thing, means here you can see my df is this now, and I am converting this df into a Frozoneset like this. So this is the command for that. We need to write a Frozoneset, and here I am completing that using autocomplete and Frozoneset of df. So if I try to execute the df now, then my df got converted into Frozoneset. And if I try to see that type of df, so here I will get the output as a Frozoneset, guys. So here you can see my Frozoneset is there, and I wanted to see which type of operation I can perform on this. So here you can see that this much operation we can perform on this, and we are not able to update this df, guys. So if here we can add the elements actually. So yeah, this much operations it can be possible, but if I try to update it, so it's not possible, guys. So here you can see no attribute add update. And also one more thing, that df is a means sorry its set is a actually means the elements in the set is in unordered format. If we try to means if we try to access a particular element from the set, then they will say like frozen, sorry uh, I will tell you these things for the set actually. So uh, yeah, so here here we have created two sets. And oh, what's going on? Here we have created two set, and here you can see, and here I wanted to access this df of means I wanted to access this John by writing this command df of 1. So they will say no, this is not possible, set object is not scriptable. So that's what they are saying, because it's the elements in the set are not in the order format, guys. So that's why we are not able to access the elements of the set. So here is the frozen set, guys, and same operations we can perform on the frozen set also. So here I have to convert that thing, and if you want to see which type of operation we can perform on this, so this type of operation we can perform on the frozen set also. So I'm not going to explain you these things now, you have to do these things. For today's video, that's it. I have write the functionality of this method, means I have write some description of this method into my ppt, so you can download this ppt and refer this ppt to explore your uh, ideas about that particular method. So here I write the description for that particular method, guys. So that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. I'm going to upload too many videos about the Python and all these things. I'm also learning, and I will tell you all these things, guys. So that's it for today's video. uh, Stay at home and keep learning, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.